Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best telescopes for viewing that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Orion 09007 SpaceProbe 130 Saint Equatorial Reflector Telescope. Compared to other models in its category, the Orion SpaceProbe is an affordable and strong scope that is ideal for beginners. It offers you precise and clear direction alongside powerful visual abilities to provide you with clear and interesting views of the night skies. The SpaceProbe has exceptional attributes for greater viewing abilities and incredible compactness without compromising on the optics quality. The Orion SpaceProbe has outstanding layout features such as a uniquely designed holder and a parabolic mirror. The parabolic mirror is used to sharpen the images created by the unit, in spite of its shorter tube. The SpaceProbe from Orion won't offer elegant features or the wider aperture often found on higher-end scopes, but it provides pleasant views of the galaxies, planets, moon, and a lot more. If you are thinking about taking an astrophotography suitable telescope, that model is right for you. Combining an affordable price, compactness, high-quality optics, and starry night applications in one unit, this is one of the best options you'll find. Apart from its low-specification EQ mount, which a lot of users seem to have an issue with, there are not many bad surprises with this unit. Moving on at number 4, we have the Celestron AstroMaster 102AZ Refractor Telescope. The Celestron 22065 is a high-performance refractor telescope that is perfect for beginners. It's so convincing that some buyers claim to employ it for professional uses as well, despite its reasonably affordable price. This model features a focal length of 660 mm and an aperture of 102 mm. Which is more than what you will find on most beginner scopes on the market. Although this unit is fairly heavy and large, it remains somewhat portable, which allows for outdoor use. It weighs only 14.1 pounds, which makes it the best lightweight telescope for viewing planets. Thus, you can easily carry it with you on your hunting trips or shooting excursions. It comes with two eyepieces, 20 mm and 10 mm. Which offer you great adjustability and allow you to watch distant and near objects easily. The unit also comes with a red dot finder scope to enable easy tracking of objects. Apart from delivering bright and crisp images, this scope makes them upright as well, thanks to the Image Erect Star Diagonal, which vertically and horizontally corrects images. The package includes focus knobs with adequate resistance, enabling you to easily focus. It also uses an altazimuth mount, which is sure to improve your focusing skills even if you are a beginner. There is a panning handle clutch on the mount to enable you to tilt the scope whichever way you want. Lastly, it comes with Astronomy Suite software to improve your observation. Although we wish the unit came with a case to house the components, but it's a really good choice for both newbies and pros. At number 3, we have the Celestron NexStar 5 SE telescope. Despite being a very portable model, the Celestron NexStar 5 SE is one of the most powerful telescopes on this list. The telescope has a small, light design which makes it easy to set up and transport. As with other similar models from Celestron, the 5CE comes with a single mount which makes transportation a lot easier. Besides, it can be disassembled into smaller parts which adds to its overall portability. Furthermore, the Celestron NexStar 5 SE is an easy-to-use computerized telescope, regardless of your skill level. It comes with a feature that enables it to align itself automatically and provides a database of around 40,000 nocturnal objects. Consequently, you can effortlessly adjust your telescope, recognize the celestial bodies you see, and even make the scope show particular nighttime objects with little fuss. Additionally, the Celestron NexStar 5 SE provides an aperture of 5 inches that enables it to make the most out of the available light to achieve the best possible pictures. The included eyepiece offers a magnification of 50x, and the incorporated sky-align technology lets even beginner stargazers to easily and quickly align their telescope by focusing it on 3 nighttime objects. You can also use the scope with camera attachments if you want to take pictures of the sky. At number 2, we have the Orion 10016 StarBlast 6 Astro Reflector Telescope. The Orion 10016 StarBlast 6 comes with several features that make it appealing for people looking for a portable and convenient viewing instrument. Perhaps, its most notable feature is its tabletop design. It features a durable reflector base that provides a hassle-free way to put the telescope on a car hood or table to watch the sky. Additionally, the small base comes pre-assembled, which allows beginners to easily set their scope up instantly. While this scope is great for amateurs, it provides optics and views that will please experienced astronomers as well. It comes with a 6-inch aperture that lets in a lot of light. Additionally, the telescope features reflector technology which utilizes mirrors to collect the light and convey it to the eyepiece. The reflector technology makes for more precise images because the light colors have less tendency of getting distorted when passing through the scope. Other features you'll find on the unit include 2 eyepieces for sharper views and greater magnification, and also a focal ratio of 750 mm. Weighing just 23 pounds at full assemblage, this scope is compact and has inbuilt carry features which improve portability. The height of the scope is ideal for kids, and adults can also enjoy it by placing it on a car hood or table. The only drawbacks with the scope are that it must always be set on something, and it comes with cheap, plastic focuser. And finally at number 1, we have the Meade Instruments, Polaris 90mm Aperture, Portable Backyard Refracting Astronomy Telescope. Meade Instruments is another highly reputable company in the sphere of telescopes, and the Meade Instruments 216003 is another sign that the company doesn't seem to be resting on its laurels. With a focal length of 900mm, you can expect this scope to deliver high-quality images. While the 3.5-inch aperture may seem like it's not a lot, it effectively opens up the heavens since the optics are of high quality. This model is especially great for beginners looking for a simple instrument to watch the planets. The f/6.7 focal ratio of the scope is just medium speed, but it's quite decent enough for a beginner astronomer. However, the most remarkable thing about this telescope is its durable and stable German Equatorial mount, which is the most recommended mount for beginner and expert astronomers alike. The mount has slow motion controls to make tracking of cosmic objects simple and smooth. The unit also comes with 3 eyepieces, 26mm, 9mm, and 6.3mm, which provide you with varieties for different viewing situations. The included 2x Barlow lens effectively doubles the amplifying power of every eyepiece. While several users of this equipment think that it is not easy to assemble, they all agree that it does provide great views of the moon, which means it's an ideal option if you are looking for simple integration into space watching. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.